Yesterday we discussed 5-digit numbers. Today we can discuss about Indian place value system. You understand about 5-digit numbers. Now we can study the greater digit. The bigger numbers are there. Therefore we can study about 6-digit, 7-digit, 8-digit, etc. Now this is Indian place value chart. How we are reading, Indians are reading numbers. Look here, in this group, ones, thousands, lakhs and crore. We heard about lakhs, laksham, crore, kodi. More than 1000 there are 10,000, lakhs and crore are there. In ones group we know how many digits are there? 3 digits, ones, tens and 100, that we know. In thousands place, 1000 and 10,000. The two groups already over. Next one is lakhs group. Like 1000, there also 2 digit. After lakh, next group is crore. That group also having 2 digit. Therefore, only ones group having 3 digit. Ones, tens and 100. 1000 having 2 digit. 1000 and 10,000. Lakh, lakhs and 10 lakh. Crore, crore and 10 crore. This is the way of arranging the groups. Now, can you read this number? This is a 4-digit number. Therefore, we can read 7,000. We have to check the group. Ones, tens, 100,000. Therefore, we can read 7,000. Now, we can read these three numbers together. Ones group, 538. Now, with the second number, there are 5 digits. Now, we know 3 numbers in one group are already reading together. Like that, thousands group have 2 digits. That 2 numbers are reading together. Therefore, 28 and say group 1000. 28,940. 28,940. Then go through the third number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. If a number is 6 digit, that means lakh. Therefore, look here, 726, one group, one's group. 63, 2 numbers in one group, that is thousands. And here only 1. 1 is in which group? Lakh. Therefore, we can read 1 lakh. 63,726. 1 lakh. First read the number 1 and group lakh. 63, its group is 1000 and 726. One's group altogether 726. Understood? Now look the 7-digit number. 285, one group, and 01, thousands, another group, and 30, 2 digits, another group. Therefore, 30 is in which group? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 30 is in lakh group. Therefore, 30 lakh. Here only 01 means 1. 1,285. 30 lakh. 1,285. Now we have an 8-digit number. Ones, tens, 100, one group. 1000 and 10,000, another group. 18, another group of lakh. And 4 is in 1. 4 will have only one digit. That is in which group? Crore. Therefore, can you read this number? Yes. 4 and its group. 4 crore. 18 together. 18 lakh. 23,970. 4 crore. 18 lakh. 23,970. Next, the greatest number, 9-digit number. Can you say how to read? This is also in the group of crore. It is 10 crore. Arrange the numbers. 149, one group. 72, second group. 25, third group. And 60, fourth group. That's 60 together. 60 crore, 25 lakh, 72,149. Understood? 60 crore, 25 lakh, 72,149. Now, look here, the same numbers I wrote here. Then, whenever we are writing the number, you have to put commas also. Indian place value chart or any other place value chart. First, what to do? Arrange the numbers according to the group. We know the group is 3, 2, 2, 2. Ones group have 3, thousand have 2 digit, lakh have 2 digit, crore have 2 digit. Therefore, we can put comma from the ones place. First having 3, therefore we can put comma just before 3 numbers. Therefore, we can easily understood that this is in thousands place. Therefore, we can read this number 7,000. Understood? 7,000. And other 3 numbers we can read together. 7,000. Next 500. That is 100, 500. And next 2 numbers 38. Understood? How to write? 38. Read once more. 7,538. Now, next is a 5-digit number. We know the order. Here, 3 numbers before. Next, 28. No need of putting comma here. We can read 28 together. And 490. Then we know 28 is in which group? Second group, what's its name? 1000. Therefore, we can write this number as 28,000. Then 940. 940. Understood? First, read 28. Group is 1000. Therefore, 28,940. Next, that is a 6-digit number. We know the group 3, 2, 2, etc. First 3, next 2. Before 6 we can put comma. Then we know ones group, thousands group, lakhs group. And 1 is in lakhs place. Therefore we can write 1 lakh. Next 63 what? Yes, 63 is in thousands place. Therefore 63,000. Now next one. Yes, 726. 726. Try to read once again. Yes, 1,63,726. Now next number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are there. First what to do? Arrange in the group of 3, 2, 2. But don't want comma here. Therefore 30 together. Ones group, thousands group, lakhs group. Therefore how can we read? 30 lakh. That number read first. That is 30. Group is lakh. 30 lakh. Then here 0, 1. How can we read? 1. 1 which group? 1000. 1000. Next 3 numbers. Yes, 200. 200. Next 85. 85. Read once again. Yes, 30 lakh 1,285. Next is an 8-digit number. Therefore also put comma. Before 3 number. Next 2 number. Next also. Therefore before 9, before 2, before 1 we put comma. 970 is in ones group. 23 is in thousands group. 18 is in lakhs group. Therefore what about 4? 4 is in crores place. Therefore how can we write? 4 crore. Then 18. Which group? 18 is in lakhs. Therefore 18 lakh. Then 23 what? 1000. Therefore 23,000. 23,000. What about other number? 970. 970. Look once again. Here 4 crore 18 lakh 23,970. Next question. You know 8 then 9. Can you put comma? Yes. 3. First 1, 2, 3. Next 2. Next also 2. Therefore don't want to put a 0 comma here. Therefore 149 is in ones group. 72 is in thousands group. 25 is in lakhs group. Therefore 60 is in crores group. Therefore read the number together. 60. 60 crore. Then next 25. 25 what? 25 lakh. 25 lakh. Then 25 lakh. Then 72 what? 1000. 72,000. Finished? No. 72,000 after 140. 149. F-O-R-T-Y. F-O-R-T-Y. 49. Read the last question once again. 60 crore 25 lakh 72,149. Understood? Then you have to remember about the groups. Ones, thousands, lakhs, crore. Ones group having 3 digit. Thousand group having 2 digit. Lakh also having 2 digit. Crore also having 2 digit. Then a number read first and say it group. Here 60 group crore ആണ് 60 crore. 25 ആണ് number place lakh ആണ് 25 lakh. 72,000 ആണ് therefore 72,149. This way you have to try how to read the number. Next we can study how to write the numerals if the number name is given. Okay. Next, if the number name is given, how to write the numerals, how to write the numbers. Look here, 40,515. Then we know 1000 means 4-digit number. If it is 40,000, then we can say it have 5 digit. Please write and find out. We know ones, tens, 100. After that 1000, 10,000. 40,000 means that is in the form of 10,000. Therefore we can fill the numbers now. 40,000. This is in the group of 1000. Therefore we can write 40 here. And 100 how much? 5. And next 15. 15 means 1 5. Therefore the numeral is 40,515. 40,550. Next one 7,29,001. Then look 7 lakh we can write the digits. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh. Only 7 lakh. 7 is a 1-digit number, therefore lakhs place only 1 digit. Then how many digits are total? Total 6. Ones, tens, 100 one group, 1000, 10,000 another group. Then lakh here only 7, therefore lakhs place only 1 dash. Therefore we can fill how many lakh? 7 lakh. Then 29,000. 1000 place 29. And next only 1. 1 means that is a 1-digit number. Therefore 100 place 0, tens place 0 and 1 we can write in ones place. This one 7,29,001. Total 6 digit. Lakh means 6 digit. Now 80 lakh 1. Look here, lakh means 80. 80 is a 2-digit number. Therefore, how many digits are there? We can look. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 80 lakh are therefore 10. 80 means in the form of 10. Therefore, ones, tens, hundred, one group, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Can you fill? Yes, 80 lakh. Lakhs place we can write 80 and only 1. Therefore, thousands place numbers are 0, 100 place number 0, tens place number 0 and 1. This one is 80 lakh 1. Total 7 digits. Next, 3 crore 2 lakh 500. Look here. Here 3 crore. Therefore, ones, tens, hundred. The next one, 1,000, 10,000. Next we know lakh, 10 lakh. After that what? Crore. 3 crore. That means crore have here only one digit. Therefore, one number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Crore have 8 digits. Then now we can complete. How many crore? 3 crore. And how many lakh? 2 lakh. Here lakhs place 2 digits are there but only 2 lakh. How can we write 2? 2 in lakhs place and 10 lakhs place we can put a 0. This is 2 lakh. 3 crore 2 lakh. Then what is it? 500. Next number is only 500. That means in 100 place and ones place and tens place 0. Then what will happen in thousands place? Nothing is there. Therefore put 0. Read this number. 3 crore 2 lakh 500 is the number. Next question. 70 crore 91,249. When 70 crore means how many digits total? 9. Look. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Then complete this one. 70 crore. Therefore, in crores place we can write 70 and 91,000. We know crore after lakh. Lakh is not mentioned here. Therefore, we can write 20 and 91,000. 1000 have 2 digits. There we can write 91. Next one, 249. 100 place number is 2 and next 49. 49. How can we read this number? 70 crore 91,249. This is the way of writing the numerals if the number name is given. A chart is given and some numbers are given. Then you have to represent these numbers in the Indian place value chart. Then first one is a 5-digit number. How can we represent here? We can start from the ones place, that is easy. First we can write 5 in ones place, then 8, next 2. Then thousands place 7, 10,000, 8. Very simple. If you are starting from ones place, we can represent ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, etc. Next one, how can we represent? Yes, ones place number is 5. Next tens 2, 100 3, then 1,007, 10,001, then lakh 0, 10 lakh 8, then 4, 0, 10 crore 4. This is the way of writing numbers in the Indian place value chart. Then only one thing you have to remember, start from ones place and write backward, then it should be correct. Students, we can see a table in the screen, that is exercise 1.2 page 67. Then you can complete that table by arranging the digits. The B, look, 71 lakh 4,315. You can write 5 in ones place, 1 in tens place, 3 in 100 place, 4 in thousands place, 0 in 10,000s place, and 1 lakhs place and 7 in 10 lakhs. Like that you can do this in the textbook itself. Next page, page number 68. Then second section, write the number names in the Indian system. Look, in the textbook you have there only 4 lines for writing, but you can draw 4 more lines with the scale and pencil. Then you can write the answers. Then 45,23,827. For writing that much there is only one line. Then what to do? Draw one more line in each space and total 8 lines you will get. You can write the number names using Indian system. Then 1 and 2 homework do in the textbook itself. Thank you and have a nice day.